Hi, my name is Marco and welcome to the Model Chain. Today I'll be answering the question, what is the difference between a model scout and a mother agent? A model scout is an all-encompassing term for someone who finds unsigned models in order to bring them into the world of modeling. Some agencies have full-time scouts whose entire job description is to find new models, and some agencies rely on the scouting of others to bring new models to them. If you've ever gone to a music festival, especially in the UK, I'm sure you've seen swarms of scouts on the prowl for new models. Besides the scouts that are employed by the big agencies, there are independent scouts that are not employed by any agencies. For some independent scouts, their work ends once they bring the model to get signed to that first agency. They typically sign agreements with the bigger agencies to get a commission of the model's earnings for the first year or two, but that other agency is the model's mother agent and has full control over their career. There are lots of photographers who operate like this because they can get a little bit of money thrown back to them, but they don't have to put in any work beyond bringing the model to that agency. I am the other type of independent model scout in that I operate as a mother agency. Once I scout a new model, my work is just getting started. I am managing the model throughout their career, placing them with other agencies, looking up flights and hotels for them, and really guiding them throughout their career and doing whatever I can to help them. I also get a commission from this, but it comes from the profit of the agencies I sign the model to, not an additional deduction to the model, meaning that if I was not in the picture, the model would be getting the same amount of money. If you are a young model and get scouted, my advice is to not rush into anything too quickly. I recommend contacting some of the other models who have been scouted by this person and ask what their experience has been, rather than getting trapped in a contract with people you won't want to be working with in the future. Just because an agency has offices around the world, it does not mean that they're the best for you. And conversely, just because a scout says they will be looking out for you, that does not mean that their loyalty lies with you and not some other agency. Also, if they're not willing to be transparent with you from the beginning, that's a good sign you should stay far away from these people. Please let me know if you have any questions about the scouting process in the comments, and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thank you.